Hey guys, what is up? It's JJ Tech here, back for another video. We're going to be unboxing the Avantree Hi-Fi Stereo Wireless Headphones. As you can see here, I'm doing an unboxing of it, first impressions of it. As you can see, we got a nice picture of the headphones themselves. We got a black color here. As you can see, let's see what the specifications are. You can read them for yourself right here. We got 20 hours of battery life, 400 milliamp hour battery. We've got a 2.4 gigahertz operation frequency band. Pretty good, pretty good. You can see back here we have the features. Let me zoom in on that. Yeah, we got the features right there. We got superior rich sound, large aperture drivers, allow unprecedented audiophile experience, built to stay comfortable, and has memory foam ear pads, has 2-in-1, up to 20 hours of battery life, which is pretty good. I got this for around 40 bucks on Amazon. I'll leave the link to this product in the link down below so you guys can check it out for yourselves. As you can see, they're super light and comfortable. We got, you can see they're wireless and they're also wired. It comes with 3.5mm headphone jack, so in case you don't want it to be wireless, you also have that option. Let's dig into the box. So we have a little pull tab. You can see there. Let me take everything out of the box for you. Alright guys, I've gotten it out of the box. You can see the first thing we see is warranty contact information here. For your warranty information here, put that to the side. Then we have like a quick user guide here, as you can see there. And then it comes with like a little leather pouch here, which I was not expecting. And has a little Avantree branding here. Wow, you can see we have that right here. Put that to the side. And then we have your headphones. Let's see, let's pull that out. You have all your cables in here. You can see we got the 3.5mm jack. We got your micro USB charging cable. And then we have the headphones themselves. Wow. Wow, these are pretty high quality actually, huh? Pretty stretchy band here. They have some nice grips here, some nice ear cups. Nice and padded there. It does not feel cheap, actually. Alright, so on the bottom we have the aux port, power button, the volume up and down. Then you have your LED indicator. On the other side, you have your micro USB charging port to charge your headphones. Looks like we have a microphone here. And nothing else, just has the Avantree branding on both sides. See there? We got like padded up here to the top of your head, which is pretty nice. We got R for right, L for left. Pretty nice. So as you can see, that's everything inside the box. That's all we got inside the box. So like I said, we have this pouch that it comes with, which is pretty nice quality. And that's pretty much it for this video. Just did a little quick unboxing. And I'm going to be making a video on how to show you how to connect these to your device. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe, like the video. I'll definitely leave a link to these guys in the description down below so you guys can check them out. Turn on post notifications so you guys can get notified on whenever I post a video. Thanks for watching and peace.